property market intel platform to source on-market opportunities and help quickly filter through Zoopla, On the Market and Rightmove and find the best opportunities on the market. So first you're going to start in our sourcing section where we say on market residential, and you have two options. You can go either draw a custom search or you can search by postcode. You can either search by postcode and then do a custom search after. So if we go search by postcode and then we put in postcode such as SR4, here we can see an area of Sunderland that's now been highlighted, and from there you can customize this area by dragging these circles here, or you can even just clear the area and draw your own custom area even after you've searched by postcode, like so. And then we can come down here and start to filter those properties, so we can always see the total properties that are going to be in your search down here. So currently there's 241 without any filtering. We can go in here and then start to filter. So firstly you can add some of the filters here, which are our automated filters. You can search for chain-free properties, quick sales, tenanted land, near schools, universities, good views, unmodernised properties. You can simply click them. So for example, after clicking on modernised, we can see the total's now gone down to 16 properties found. We can untick that, it takes back to 241, and we can have a look at some of the other filters. So you can filter by minimum asking price, you can filter by the minimum number of bedrooms, maximum number of bedrooms. You can also filter by time in the market by selecting the checkbox. That'll then open this up, and then you can select more than or less than, depending on how long you want the property to be in the market. We can also look at if the property's been reduced, so we can look at properties that have been reduced by 5%, less than, more than, same as before, all the way up to 30%. You can also put in your own keywords or phrases, and you can also search by estimated yield. So the estimated yield is calculated by looking at comparables that are within a quarter of a mile of the property, and using the current asking price of the property to calculate that yield. You can also filter here by property type, and also what portal where the property was found. So we then press search. We can then come through here and we can see the properties that are for sale. We can create an email alert by adding the alert and the frequency, pressing save. You can also download the data to CSV by pressing get CSV. You can also view it in map and also in table format. And we can also save the search, which will save it onto your dashboard just by adding a relative name that will be easy for you to track. And then you can also come in here and update the search if you wish. So once you've found the property that you like the look of, you can then click on the property, and then we'll give you a bunch of data on the property, as well as being able to click through our tabs here, which give you quick comparables on sold prices, sales listings, rentals listings, and then also local data. You can put this down to a mile and look at the local data. Same way as the dashboard, we instantly create the dashboard for the property. In areas where there's low data, we would suggest pressing 3-month yield. You can look at historical rents for the number of bedrooms. You can also look at those properties down here. If we go back to the listing, we can then see all the different properties that are for sale, and as well we can also see the addresses. So in situations where you want to get the full address of the property, so you can go direct to vendor, here we show all addresses, so that you can get that data. That was a quick tour of how to use our on-market tool. It's a great way to filter through millions of properties that are currently on Zoopla and Rightmove. You can also easily get the addresses for the property, and also get all the information you need in terms of local area data, investment statistics, etc. for the property.